Hello, I'm Doug Branch, Vega America's Nuclear Product Manager. Today we're in the Vega America's Learning Center lab to see how the FIBERTRAC 31 uses radiation to measure the level of liquids and bulk solids. And here's how it works. On one side of this tank is a radioactive source. Each radioactive source is contained in a steel or lead-lined housing called a source holder. These rigorously tested and incredibly secure source holders ensure radiation escapes only through a defined channel. Opposite of the source is a detector that counts the amount of radiation that reaches it. As material fills a vessel, it blocks radiation and less nuclear energy reaches the detector. The counts have an inverse relationship to the level. The fewer the counts, the more material is inside of the vessel. The detector on this tank is a FIBERTRAC 31. This product is unique because of its flexibility. The fibers inside have a bend radius of only 12 inches and they're incredibly light, so the detector mounts easily to round or conical vessels. Plus, the FIBERTRAC 31 has measuring range of up to 23 feet for use on larger tanks. A major strength of radiation-based detectors is that they mount external to the vessel and operate without contacting the process material. That means that they can measure challenging liquids like heavy crude oil and harsh, aggressive solids. To recap, the FIBERTRAC 31 from Vega uses radiation to measure the level of aggressive solids and liquids. Its fiber construction makes the detector a good fit for vessels of various shapes, and its long measuring range provides a cost advantage on longer measuring spans. The FIBERTRAC 31 is a reliable means of safe, accurate level measurement.